generator puzzle. And the shield generator is from the FRC game Infinite Recharge, one of my favorite, but not my most favorite game. Probably tied for my second favorite game, along with Steamworks, Power Up, and Stronghold. Assemble the shield generator from the game. The red shield generator switch should be able to rotate, but not past the hard stops. So one of the challenges in this game was climbing onto this rung, and this whole bar would tilt, and you would get extra points if it was level. So we need to assemble this so that this whole part can tilt back and forth, but not past these hard stops that prevent it from moving too much. So make a copy of the following documents to get the parts, which I've already done. I will sign in again. Whoops, I messed that up. I clicked something. Oh, I know why. Because I should be modeling on Safari because I don't have the right extension for Google Chrome. There we go. Now, I am allowed to edit these parts because this is my document. I made a copy of the official FRC document. However, when you're on this link, because this document is affiliated under me, you will not be able to move it. So you'll have to make a copy of this. So let's do that. Copy workspace. Now, here we go. Now, once you have your own copy, just like on Google Docs, now you can edit this. So, I've already grouped together these parts, so you don't have to worry about that. Oh, apparently I haven't. I lied. I haven't grouped together these parts. I've just separated them into different tabs. So, we have the shield generator, and we have the generator switch. Let's group them so they don't move around. And let's create one big assembly. And we can just insert the assemblies that we already have, and they are already grouped, so we won't need to worry about that here. Let's drag this up. Okay. Now, to get a part to rotate around an axis, we want to use the revolute mate. And if you wait a second, it will tell you, allow rotation around the z-axis. The first selection serves as the rotational point, and the second is the stationary point. Now, it doesn't really matter which one you select first. It's good practice to do, let's see, what did it say? The revolutionary point first. So if we look at the geometry of the generator, shield generator, we see that this part's on the outside. So we'll want to drag this like this. Okay. Now let's see, where does this start? Okay, this part is right up against, well, it's not right up against, there's some space here actually, between the churro and that. This side, however, oh no, I was right. Because this little ring on here, that's included in our red generator switch. So that should be right up against this churro. So we can do that by using revolute mate. This will be the rotating point, center of that. And we can align this with... I think there are going to be some overlapping parts, because I think when I designed this document, I forgot to get rid of this on the shield generator. But it's not going to matter. And we select click. And now that this is in the correct spot, we should be able to rotate the generator switch. Oh, well, when we do that, it's just going to drag the whole thing. So we can either fix this or attach it to the origin. Now, when we drag this, yay, we should be able to rotate it. But the other thing this document wanted us, or the challenge wanted us to do, was create it so that it doesn't go past the hard stops. Now, to figure out what that measurement is, I remember that I believe is 14.5 inches from the original game, but we can always check 14.5. We just need to do the same thing we did in our previous challenges involving these other mates and put limits on this. So our maximum should be 14.5 and then a negative 14.5 in the other direction. Give it a second to update. Now, if we slide this, it will stop when it reaches that degree that we've set. So it basically acts as if it's stopping on... why is this one going past? Oh, no, it's not. It just looks like that because you can see this slider. You can see this hard stop from the other side. But now we have our shield generator puzzle.